right, guys, we got a bowl full of meat. We got a table full of veggies. We're gonna be prepping for the week. We're rolling 3 deep. It's gonna be
Meatball,
Minestrone.
Go ahead, we got 3 pounds of ground beef, 1.5 pounds Italian sausage, 3 eggs. Go ahead and crack the eggs in there. I've minced up 1 onion, a little bit of Italian parsley. And then, Libby, would you mind seasoning with salt and pepper?
You got it, dude.
And I'll just kind of give you a little bit of guidance. We've got some salt already in the sausage. Boom.
Oh, right.
And then, is there that chili over there? You see that
No,
little
but
red
we
chili?
love a little
Oh, right
heat.
here. Bring the heat. You
Yeah,
pinch
but
it.
what if I touch my eye?
You don't touch it.
Yeah,
All right, we got the meat on the mix. I'm gonna hack up these veggies. Libby's gonna heat up the pans, and we're gonna get cooking. All right, guys, we got our mirepoix chopped up here. It's kind of like a small and medium dice. Mirepoix is half onion, quarter carrot, quarter celery. Then over here, we got a good mix on our meatballs. We're testing our meatballs here to make sure the flavor's good. And then Libby's gonna add some olive oil to our pot over here. I'm gonna follow that up with some,
Is that too much?
a little bit more.
Oh,
And then grab your pan, your little pot.
got
Your
it.
little paddle. Grab
Paddle.
your little paddle. Go ahead and stir that up. Keep that moving. Oh, that's looking great. How about if we open this up and get a little salt and pepper in there? All right.
You guys didn't save me any?
You're the soup girl. You're the soup girl. You following?
Yeah.
Yeah, Constance. So just there, we'll round that off. Set it in the pan like that. When you roll them nice and tight. Make sure they're compact. There you go.
This is what you call an assembly line. Teamwork.
Making things happen.
How's your soup looking, Libby?
Good. It's looking good. The onions are starting to kind of get a little clear, which is, I think, is what we're wanting.
Smells good.
I know. Garlic's not burning.
Ladies, coming in hot with some yellow squash.
Here we come.
And our assistant Paleo Nick over there is just chopping
Coming in
up some
hot.
cucumber for us.
Cucumbers coming in hot with some
Coming in hot.
zucchini.
Fired. So when we're cooking the meatballs, we want to wait until the brown is all the way up the sides, Nick?
Just so they get a little bit tighter.
Yeah, we just want the bottom to tighten up, right?
Okay.
So that when they...
We can probably flip a couple of these.
Yeah, let's
each
flip a
side.
couple and see what we got.
Yeah.
Put that one over, straight over. Oh, I like it. Yeah,
wow,
good,
look at that.
good.
So I'm assuming we're putting the vegetables that cook a little faster in later.
That's right, baby.
Woo, I'm learning.
Good job. Coming in hot with some pepper. Oh.
Look at all the colors.
We thought it looked pretty before. Look
I
at it
know.
now.
All right, Libby, so now the mushrooms are going to take the least amount of time to cook.
Okay.
You agree?
I agree.
Oh, coming in with the shrooms.
Slippery, guys.
Give it a little pinch of this chili.
A little
I'm gonna
kick.
turn it up a little bit. Put the lid back on. And you see how this is all coming together, guys? We got our meat over here.
Yep.
Huh?
Look how good it looks.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Color.
Gang's all here.
Yeah, you guys were killing it. Okay, we're gonna test. We're gonna take this off. Kind of hot, kind of warm, a little bit warm. But look at on the bottom. Look at all that condensation moisture. That way we know we were trapping our moisture in there. Lot still in there, steaming the stuff down. We're gonna pull out a carrot. Carrot is the litmus test, okay? Right?
Yeah,
Mine was perfect.
Mine was
really
perfect,
good.
too.
Good salt.
It wasn't
nice and
mushy,
sweet.
you know?
Al dente, kind of. A little bit
So
past.
hot.
Okay. So right there, ladies, coming in with some ground tomatoes. This is like 2 28-ounce cans. All right.
Sorry. Oh, here we go.
All right, those same containers. Okay, so coming over here. 2 quarts of stock. Go ahead and stir that. Can you give it a taste? Pretty good
Oh,
like
yeah.
that, right?
Yeah.
So I think a little bit of pepper,
Okay.
and then we'll hit it with our fresh parsley over here.
So the stock that you put in is chicken stock?
Yeah.
Okay.
From Culinary Ninja 101 last night, we made that. Look all that good with the
Oh my God.
combination of the meat.
Oh my gosh.
I like
Cut that, cut, boom. Okay. There it is, guys. So from here, a couple things you could do. You could take and put all the meatballs in there and just keep that at like right around 170, 180 degrees. And that would tenderize these babies over time. But for the sake of time, we're just gonna divvy our meatballs into these containers here, scoop the soup over the top, and then that's gonna be our meal prep for the week. Stock up that Paleo bank account.
I like
right?
it.
Yeah, making my life easy.
Wait, don't leave me hanging.
Oh, sorry.
And wash my hands. You go wash my hands, okay?
Come, how
So
many
let's divvy them up. Thank you, ladies, so much for helping out. This is the last
having
video of the
us.
night.
You're welcome.
And the energy, boy, we're just trying to keep it up there. It's almost, is it midnight? It's past midnight. But anyways, let's finish it up here. We got Paleo Nick
Constance Curtis events.
Libby,
from,
Blue Water Pilates.
yeah. And what we made is
Meatball.
Minestrone.
doing what we can to help you guys.
Keep it paleo.